Hi guys, welcome to Jen's 3L Club. Today we're going to learn some greeting words in our everyday life. So let's get started. So first of all, when you see somebody, what do you say? You say hello, hi, right? Hello, hi. So in Chinese, we say 你好, 你好, le, i, ni. It's a third tone. So ne, i, ni, ni. He, ao, hao. Ni hao, ni hao. So as we already learned the consonants and vowels, so here the consonants are ne, he, and the vowels are 一 ao 你好你好 ne 以你 hao ao 好你好你好 hello. So when somebody say 你好, what do you say back? You also say 你好你好你好你好你好. Okay, so what do we say morning, afternoon, evening? Z, z, 熬 早 早 shi, on, 上上早上早上早上 means morning. 早上早上 morning. 知 on first tone. 中 知 on 中中 u u. This one you don't need to spell because both of them spell the same. They pronounce the same. U u, and this is the third tone. So it's 五 五五五五 中午中午中午 that means noon noon, like between like 12 o'clock. 中午 西 i, si, a. Here, this is a bit special. We have a media here. So we will spell them together. Si, i, a, xia. It's a fourth tone. It's a falling tone. So it's si, i, a, si, i, a, a. 西一二下下下下五五五五 third tone. It's the same with the 中午下午下午下午 means afternoon. And this one u, an, it's the third tone again, so it's an. So remember the tones an, the four different tones, right? So here is an, u, an, wan, u, an, wan, u, an, wan, wan, shi, 上 on is fourth tone here, so it's on. So it's on. 是 on 上晚上 So morning 早上中午 noon 中午下午晚上 So if you want to say good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, so basically we add 好 at the very end of them. So早上好means good morning. 中午好 Normally 中午 means noon, and the noon time is pretty short, so this one is not used as frequently and often as possible, but the other ones, let's continue. 下午 So we put 好 here. 下午好 That means good afternoon. 下午好 So like when teachers walk into the classrooms in the afternoon, she will probably say 下午好 The last one. 晚上好 means good evening. 晚上好 good evening. So when we see somebody, we say hello, 你好 早上好 good morning. 早上好 中午好 下午好 晚上好 It's like, ladies and gentlemen, 晚上好 So to say, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. 晚上好 So let's do a review one more time. 你好早上好中午好下午好晚上好 So that was it. That's our today's lesson about how to say greetings of hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I hope you guys learned it. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave me comments and we will practice. I will answer you as soon as I see your comments and any questions. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. You have a good day. Bye.